So good afternoon everyone. Today I will talk about student and their character. The character and future, the both are most important for the country. By the way, if you planning the future of student, so definitely are you planning the future of the country, because you can also say that every student are future of the country. So you don't planning future of the student. By the way, if you want one day your country developed more other country, so first of all immediately you should take decision behind your future. You don't planning with the future of student, because the future of student is most important for all of you. First of all, I want to say something about the who students are preparing other competitive examination. Never give up in your life. Because the so many students are thinking I will give up in his life now. So don't do this, because life is a golden opportunity for all of you. Because as far as I know, the student life are not easy, because it require hard work, discipline. So first of all, let's talk about what all problem are student facing nowadays. So let's talk about student who live and at home. They often face a challenge such as distraction, lack of a proper environment, and difficulty discipline like the. However, with dedication and good time management, they can achieve succeed in their study. Because you can also say there are many problem by the student, because like the. However, the financial problem are very serious nowadays. Because at this times I am preparing other competitive examination, and sometimes I want like to talk about the some student. The many students are telling me, sir, my financial problem are not good. Sir, I want to continue my journey, because like the. However, education is most important me, but my financial problem are not good, because my parents are not earn more money. By the way, my parents earning. If my parents are earning more money, definitely one day I can participate the expensive coaching institutes, so that I can improve about myself, and I can take the positive direction behind my communication and etc. At this time there are many problems of the student. So you can also say at this times a very employment. By the way, such type situation is increase the employment. So I want to say something about the PM. First of all, you don't play the student future, because by the way, if you planning the student future, definitely are you planning the country future, because the every student are future of the country. So this is my costly information for all of you, because this is my costly information for all of you. Like the. However, the so many students are telling me, sir, financial problem are very serious nowadays. So how to how to how to fulfill it. So I don't getting so I don't get the point, how to fulfill it. Because the employment is increasing immediately in our country. You can also say there are so many problems at this time. every person and every student. So first of all, I want to say something about the student. The who student are preparing other competitive examination. Never give up in your life, and you should continue your journey. Definitely one day your time will come. So never give up in your life, and you should continue your journey. By the way, I am always saying everything is possible by the hard work. So first of all, you should will do hard work in your future, because I am making understanding for everyone, because this is my responsibility. So never give up in your lives, and you should continue your journey in your life. So you can do, by the way, one day you by the way you will do something exceptional in the world. So first of all, I want to say something about this topic. First of all, you trust about yourself. Without trusting about yourself, you can't do it, because it is evident nothing is possible without hard work. So you should do hard work, so that you can do anything whatever you want in the society, because this is my costly information for all of you. Because like the how we works at this time I am preparing other competitive examination. You can also say my financial problem are not good. You look behind me, my behind background are not looking beautiful. Then also I trust about myself, one day I can do it. Then you should keep continue about yourself, because without trusting about yourself you can't do anything whatever you want in the society. So first of all, you should build the consistency, and you should do study with consistency, and with hard work, so you can do anything whatever he want in the society. Because the so many people are thinking what is get the advantage through the education, and the who student are preparing for other competitive examination. Definitely he is wasting only time, he is wasting only times, because it is wrong. By the way, I am saying always everything is possible by the hard work. So this is my costly information for all of you. First of all, you trust about yourself, and without trusting about yourself you can't do anything whatever you want in the society, because it is evident nothing is possible without hard work. So this is my expensive information for all of you. Thank you very much, very interested. Thank you.